Hi guys, today we are going to teach you the technique. Many videos have been made on it, but very few techniques are applied. But this technique will be very effective. So if you want to learn this technique, then watch full video without missing any part. So let's start the technique. If someone grab your neck from behind tightly, you can see when he use his full strength, you can see you can't do any technique here. Except the first option is you have do the kick on his weak point middle of legs. But the second technique that we are going to teach you maybe is the best for you. In this technique, when he grab your neck, immediately grab his ear from here as you can see in the video and push your index finger on his pressure point that we will show you. You can see when I push my finger on his pressure point, he feel pain and also pull his ear tightly. You can see he feel pain. When he feel pain, his grip will be loosened. Then you will do this technique as you can see in the video like this. You can lock his arm like this way. So guys, once more time we will show you. First watch where is the pressure point. Here is the pressure point. When I press the finger on his pressure point, he hurts a lot. You can see. So watch the technique. Yes. Tight. Grab. And the lock. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn this technique, then must practice of these techniques and do with your friends and tell us in comment box how it apply or not. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.